Hi guys, welcome to my new video and welcome to my YouTube channel. And all these days I was behind the camera, and today I decided I'll come in front of the camera so that I can I can have a better connection with my followers. So this is my first YouTube channel, which is where I am in front of the camera. So this video is all about my journey, my story, like how I started from sales job to day trading, how I become a day trader from sales profession. Like I was totally into different field, and I am not from financial background, but still I could make it as a day trader. So this is just, I'll give you brief about my background and my journey. Okay, so I'm basically from South India. I'm basically from part of Karnataka, where I did my all schooling and college and all this. I completed my graduation from Karnataka University, Dharwad in Karnataka. Till 10th standard I studied in Kannada medium, so my all primary school were in Kannada medium, so I was very poor in English. I was not able to speak a single word in English, despite my father being an English professor. My father was an English professor in a college, and being his son, I was not able to speak single word in English. So it was very embarrassing for me when I came to college, where every subject was in English. So like it was difficult initially, but somehow I managed it, and by once I completed my 12th, I also wanted to become a doctor and engineer and all this, like how others, like during those days. Okay, I'm talking about 92 93, that time, so that time after 12th everyone wanted to become either doctor or engineer. So even I wanted to become like that, but I could not score enough in 12th, so I could not get admission in either medical or engineering, so I had to come to BSc. So I completed my BSc, and by the time I completed my BSc, I was really bored of studying for last 15 years. I decided I'll just finish my college and I'll go and do some job. Like I don't want to keep studying all my life. So after my graduation, I completed my BSc with average marks. So many of my friends after BSc, they went to MSc or they went to B.Ed. B.Ed is like educational kind of course. Or some of them went to MBA. MBA was just picking up that time. It was not as famous like how it is now, or there were no many options like what you see nowadays. So there were limited option. Even though there were option, financial background, my parents were not so rich that they can pay huge fees and put me in some very premium institute or something like that. So I had to start doing job after my graduation. And I immediately started doing all part-time jobs. Like I started working for a restaurant. My first job was in a restaurant in Bombay, where I was like working for a restaurant as a cashier. I worked there for a few months. Then I worked for a medical shop as a salesman. So I did all part-time jobs, and in year 99, first time I got a good opportunity to work with one of the best Indian company. It's a Bombay based company, one of the very reputed and renowned company. So there I started as a sales executive kind of role, and initially I was very happy with the job. When I came to interview, actually I was not able to even speak English. You know that being a sales profession, you have to be very good in English, where you can speak with customers, but I was very poor in English. I was not able to speak properly in interviews, but people have trusted me because I was very good in approach. I was very approachable, and I was very good in convincing skills and all this. So people trusted me and gave me job, and that's how my professional life started in corporate life. So 99 I started my job, and initially I was very happy. I was doing well. I was getting good salary, incentives were good, I was earning money. So it was very good life initially, so I was liking it. Then slowly I started getting bored doing same job day in and day out. Then after I worked for same company, first company, for almost 3-4 years. After working for some 4 years plus, I was getting bored. I wanted to do something else, so I came to know about trading from some of after reading some articles and some of my friends and all this. So I decided even I wanted to become a day trader so that I can get rid of my sales job. So I came to trading. And only confidence I had that since I worked for 4 years, I had good savings. I had good savings made in my account. So I thought since I have good capital, I can be a successful day trader. That's what all day traders or new traders think, that they have money so they can become a good day trader and they can earn every day. So that's not true. That's what even I experienced it. I did not bother to learn about technical skills or anything about the trading or anything. I did not read a single book or did not attended any seminar, webinar, nothing. I just entered stock market, day trading, buying, selling. I thought you have to buy, and when it goes up, you have to sell it. And it was same like what happens with everyone. Within 4-5 months, I was totally nil. All my savings gone. I lost all the money. And that time I had so much loans on me, like I had bike loan, I had personal loan, I had credit cards to pay, and I did not have any money to pay. So all I was getting calls from all these banks and all this asking me to pay their money. And my father, like that time I took my help from my father, who helped me to get out of all this by paying all the dues. But he gave me extra money also after clearing all the loan, but he told me that you should never enter into day trading again, and you should stop this day trading and go back to your regular job. I said okay. I took extra money from him, and again I put all the money in day trading, and I lost all the money. I lost my money, I lost his money, and again I was like, I did not have anything, like I did not have money to pay my room rent also. So those days I was in Bangalore, so I was working in Bangalore that time, so I did not have money also to pay to my landlord. So that was the situation. It was like very tough time, like 2003, 2004, very, like I gone through a lot of hardship. So after losing all the money, I decided no, enough is enough. I had to go back to my regular job. So finally I came to regular job. I got some small company to work with, small salary. Somehow I started working there, and whatever money my father gave me as a clearing all my loans, I paid him back as a loan. I took loan from my father. It was not a free gift. My father paid me as a loan, and I paid him back after getting the job. And in 2007, I got one of the best company to work with, one of the best multinational, US based multinational. Like that was my turning point in my sales career. There really I liked the job, and salary was too good, incentives were good, and company was too like very friendly company, and I really enjoyed their work for 3-4 years. And again same story. After 3-4 years, even I started getting bored. Even I wanted to start something on my own, and I decided I'll come to day trading. No, this time I decided I'll not come to day trading because I lost my money earlier. I'll come to swing trading. I'll become a swing trader. I'll not become a day trader. But I did not bother to learn about anything about trading, technical knowledge or any courses, nothing. I just decided I'll become a day trader. Again, I came to day trading. I came to swing trading, but it was like mixed. Some days I used to make money, some days I lose money. It was like break even kind of. Not single week or not a single month I was profitable, and it was like going on like that only like I was not able to make any profit to pay my bills. So it went on 6 months like that. Then I decided no, I think it's not my cup of tea. Even though I'm liking trading, but something is wrong. I'm not able to make money, so let me go back to my day job. Again second time I was failure. I went back to my day job, again worked for a couple of companies. Since I took a break, I was not getting good offer from good companies, so I had to settle for small companies. I worked for small companies. So if you ask me, in my entire 20 years career, I changed almost dozens of jobs. Like I was like keep jumping from one job to another because I was never satisfied with my job. I always wanted to be my own boss. I wanted to do something on my own. I knew that I have a talent to become a successful in whatever I do it, but somehow luck is not giving me that. Luck is not favoring me. That's what even I used to feel that. So again I came back to day job, and in 2013 I got one more good company. It's again US based multinational, and here I would like the job profile because it was not a regular sales job. It was mainly sales training kind of role. So I was a trainer. So I used to train people, new sales team members on selling skill and product knowledge and all this. So it was very good profile. It was a national level profile. Salary was good, and I got an opportunity to work for I got opportunity to travel almost every part of India, like all major cities in India. That's how I traveled across all the countries from 2013 to 2016, and even I traveled to many foreign countries. So that was my first opportunity to travel abroad. So I got opportunity to travel many countries in 2013 to 2016. And again my same problem. I was getting bored with my job. Even I was getting bored with doing same training every time, and I thought let me try again trading. This time I had to learn and I had to enter. So that's what I was thinking, like that, quitting my job. But same time I got a very good offer from Dubai, from one of the best company in Dubai. So I went to Dubai in 2016. I left my job here and I went there. I attended interviews and I got the job. And when I went to Dubai, my intention was same. I should work for a few years, make good money, good savings, and come back. And now this time I have to take trading as a final, my final attempt. Like I can't keep failing and coming back and all this. So this time I went to Dubai like a bachelor. I did not take my family initially. I stayed in a room and I stayed for 2 years plus there. And like first 1 year, I was only doing studies. I was reading books. I was watching YouTube videos. I was back testing. Since I was staying like a bachelor, I did not have any other work. And since Dubai offers income tax free salary, so you can make good savings. So my salary was good. I could make good savings. And I spent like day and after my work, after coming home, I used to spend only time on the charts and reading books and YouTube videos and all this. So first 1 year I did only all this testing and reading and everything. And then next 1 year I started doing trading. Since Dubai and India difference is like 1.5 hours. If India stock market opens at 9:15, Dubai it opens at 7:45. So that offered me time to trade at the first 1 hour. Like I used to trade for some time at the opening and then go for the work. So that offered me good flexibility, so that being a full-time job still I could manage trading because of the time difference. And sometimes I used to place the order and then go for work, and sometimes I got very good profit because I was they say that you should let winners the run. So that is what I used to do. I used to place the order, place the stop loss, and then I used to see it only during the market close, and sometimes I got very good win, very good trades, very profitable trades. So almost 1 year I traded every day, almost every day. I can say that whenever I got time. And Friday, you know that Dubai is closed. Friday is weekly holiday and Indian market is open. So Friday I used to get entire day to trade. And I was profitable month after month. Like when I was in Dubai, 1 year 1 year when I started trading. So I got that confidence. I learned price action and I learned pivot points, and this really gave me that knowledge about how to do day trading. And after learning pivot points and price action, I decided no, I don't want to do any more strategies. I should stick to those strategies. So I developed 15 strategies on my pivot points and price action, which I'll teach during my webinar courses to new traders. You can check my webinar course below this video link, where I have all the details, like when I conduct my webinars, what all the strategies I teach to new students who join my webinars. Okay, so that's what Dubai offered me, that flexibility to develop my trading skills. And since I was staying like a bachelor, I did not have much commitment, and I used to only work on my charts and strategies and all this. So around 2018, I decided to come back to India. By that time I had good savings, and I came back to India, and then rest is history. So you can see that now I am a successful day trader. I have been trading for living, and it has been a 1 year, and I'm profitable month after month, and it's good life. Like I don't have to take any vacations. I don't have to take permission from anybody for the vacation or something. I can take leave whenever I want. I can get up whenever I want. I can earlier days I used to hate weekdays. I used to like weekends because weekends are holidays. Now I hate weekends. I like weekdays. Okay, so that is the difference what I can see after I becoming day trader. It offers that flexibility. It offers that financial freedom. First of all, that's what always I believed in. I believed that one has to like what they are doing. I'm doing what I'm really loving it. Okay, so that's what I always believed in, and I've been doing this regularly. And you can see this is my office now, and this is my system monitors where I trade. One I trade Nifty, and one screen will run Bank Nifty, and this laptop what you see where I place my orders. And this is my office. That's it, small office. I work from home. I don't have any other expenses like paying rent and all this. This is my business. I run my trading as a business. And earlier days, Mondays used to be stressful days when I was working in corporate, because Monday meetings and stressful meetings and all this. So now Mondays I can finish my trade, and maybe 11:30, 12 o'clock in the afternoon I will be in PVR watching movies, where my other colleagues are like sitting in the boardroom for the stressful meetings. So that is the flexibility day trading offers, but it is not as rosy. You can see it. Even I gone through a lot of pain to reach where I am today. You know that 2 times I failed in my trading. I lost all my savings, I lost a lot of money, I had to come back to my day job because I did not do any preparation. I went with a gambling mindset. So when third time I came with full preparation, full study and everything, with good savings, and came like a business mindset, and now I'm successful. So that's what my advice is everyone. If you are looking for a looking to take a trading as a full-time profession, then come with fully prepared. Okay, so don't just get into trading, quit your job and get into trading because you see somebody is making good money, you are bored with your job, or you're not liking your boss, or you're not liking your company. So it's tough, not easy, but it can be done. There are people who are doing successful trading they're living by just trading. So it can be done, but preparation goes. So what I'll do is I'll make one more video on I'll give clear step by step what you have to do to become a successful day trader. So you can watch those videos and you'll get an idea like what all preparation planning you have to do before becoming a day trader. Okay, so this is all about day trading. This is all about my story, my journey, like how I came from like non-financial background to now into financial market. So remember, to become a good day trader, you don't have to be like have a good financial background or anything. To be frank, I was very poor in mathematics also when I was in college. So that's why after 12th I just came to BSc with the biology. I taken biology as my major because I was scared of mathematics. But now I play with all numbers, all this, you know, that all stock market and all about numbers. And but I was very artistic person. I used to be like very I used to be very attached. I used to get very like I was very passionate about arts and all this. So stock charts, chart reading is an art. So that's what like I like analyzing charts, analyzing price action and all this. Okay, so this is all about my journey. And so let me know how you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and like my channel. And if you want me to share something in my next video, put it in the comment section so that I'll make a video on that. Okay, so again, wish you a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I'm recording this video on Ganesh Chaturthi, and wish you great trading career in your futures. And keep tuned, and I'll come back to you with another new YouTube video. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks.